Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Instagram link in Facebook. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook interface, and when you're inside the Facebook interface, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. Under the source bar, there will be your profile name. So you just have to click on it and your profile will be opened. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see edit details. So you just have to click on edit details, and when you're inside the edit details section, you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see social links. And when you have seen the social links, you just have to look on the bottom. There will be the name of the social link that I previously added, and on the right hand side there will be a pen icon. So you just have to click on that icon and edit interface will be shown right in front of you. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit once more until you are able to see website and social links. And first section is of website and second section is of social links. I have currently added social links, so there isn't an empty space. So in order to add an Instagram link, you just have to look on the right hand side of that social link section. There will be again another pen icon. Just click on it, and after that edit section will be appeared, and below the username of your previously added Instagram or social link there will be add a social link. So you just have to click on that add a social link button, and after that you just need to enter the username of your Instagram and you need to choose which site it is. There are multiple choices like Threads, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube and Instagram. So you just have to click on that Instagram, and after that you just have to click on that save button, and when you have done that you will be able to add Instagram link in Facebook. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.